I want to drill a hole in the bottom of this big bowl. Using this screwdriver, I've been at it for ages. It won't go in. What a waste. I'll try an electric drill. Let's use this drill bit first. Been drilling for ages. It's been running for ages. Still can't drill through. This tool isn't for ceramic. It's for wood. Don't rush, folks. I'll show you all. A great tool set. This tool set, it's multifunctional. Comes with accessories, including a diamond drill bit. Put this small diamond bit on the powerful drill, just attach it. Let's grab the big bowl, then add some water. No diamond bit. Can't drill ceramics. Let's clear a hole. Drilling a hole. Drilling a hole. This is faster. Great tool set. Very versatile. Steel and aluminum build quality. Impact drill. Adjustable speed. Copper motor. Reverse function. Speed control. Accessory box. Wall drill bit. 10 thick ones. Flexible. 2 masonry drills. For tiles, cement, walls. This attachment for steel mesh, dovetail. Split head screwdriver. Steel. Wood drill, MM converter. Attached saw blade for wood, boards. Cutting disc. Cuts steel. Grinds, polishing disc. Removes rust. This is a pipe cleaner. Clears drains. Various attachments. Grinding heads for metal, wall, wood. Today's star, diamond bit. Like this set, give a thumbs up.